Let's cover another topic. This topic is in regards to the interest rates on a self-managed super fund. A lot of people ask me this question: how much is going to be the interest rate on a self-managed super fund property? Is it going to be higher? And which bank are you going to which bank are they going to get the loan from? So I'm going to cover all those answers in this video. So basically, most of the major banks at this stage do not lend to a self-managed super fund, okay, due to, I think, probably because they have too many regulations put on by the government and the ATO, so they want to stay away from that. Or it's also, most of the banks also do not, even the people or even the smaller banks who lend money to the SMSF, they don't lend for construction loans because they think it's risky. So first of all, not many like all your like CBAs, Westpacs, ANZ, more at this point of time, they're not lending to the self-managed super fund. In the future, it might change, but at this stage, they do not lend. Okay, now then what are your options? People still buy a property through a self-managed super fund, so but where they're going to get the funding from? So in that case, what happens is the funding is gotten by some small tier banks, like they're called like second tier banks, which can help out. Okay, they will not also do the construction loans as well. So the property you need to buy is like a 1090 contract, which is where you pay 10% in the beginning and then 90% when the property is actually finished. We'll cover more on that later, but they're generally called one-part contracts. Okay, so we find a property that fits the requirements of the bank and the superannuation legislation, and then the interest rates generally would be around 5.5 or 5%, or somewhere around there. So it's not your normal, if it's an investment property, it's only around 4.3 to 4.5%. But when it comes to super property, it can go from 5.1 to maybe upwards, or even go up to 5.5, 6%. So that is something that you also need to be aware of. My goal is to give you as much as information as possible. Again, saying that I'm not a financial planner, I'm not a financial broker, I'm a property consultant. I'm giving you just very general advice because people ask me all those questions all the time. So I just want to educate you on those so that you're more prepared and you're more confident in your decisions when you come and meet us. So if you want to discuss anything like that in terms of buying an investment property, buying your home, or buying a property through self-managed super fund, give me a call. My phone number is 0433 213 993. 0433 213 993. Thank you. Go.